Welcome. If you want to add pronouns to your Discord profile and make your online presence more inclusive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to add your pronouns on Discord, so everyone knows how to refer to you correctly. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you're in your user settings. Here, you'll see a bunch of options, but what you want to do is tap on Edit Profile. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize your profile details. Scroll down a little bit until you see the field labeled Pronouns. This is where you can add the pronouns you'd like others to use for you. Tap on the Pronouns field, and a keyboard will pop up. Type in your pronouns, whether that's he, him, she, her, they, them, or any combination that fits you best. You can even add custom pronouns if you'd like. Once you've entered your pronouns, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right corner of the screen, and tap it. That's it. Your pronouns are now visible on your Discord profile, making it easier for friends and new connections to address you respectfully. Adding your pronouns is a small step that makes a big difference in creating a welcoming community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or want to see more Discord tips, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.